Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to move a folder from one account to another in Google Drive. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Google Drive, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. If you have multiple Google accounts and want to consolidate your files to a single account for easier management and access, especially if you're closing or discontinuing use of an old Google account and need to transfer important files to a new or primary account, moving a Google Drive folder from one account to another is a practical move, especially when transferring projects or responsibilities from another person or team, your client, other freelancers. Moving folders to their Google Drive account ensures they have full control and access. Now, for us to be able to move a Google Drive folder from one account to another is very simple. All you're gonna do is go to the folder that you wanted to move, for example, this one, and I need you to right click on it and go to the share, because we're going to share this, the authority or the ownership to another account. All right, I want you to click on it. Now here on the share settings, I need you to click on the add people, groups, and calendar events. I want you to put in the email if the account owner is not yet added to your Google contacts. I want you to put in the email address so that you can send the link and change the ownership to viewer or editor, right? Now in this case, you might want to put in some information here like short message. Click on it, and I want you to click on OK. Basically, you're giving permission to the new owner that he can do anything on this shared folder. All right, I want you to click on send, and that's it. Access updated. Now I need you to switch over to the second account that you're going to transfer this to or move this folder to. Now, once you are logged into your another account, I need you to click on the section that says shared with me. Now you see the folder that has been sent with me is here. All right, and I'm gonna click on it. When you do, you would be able to see the files that has been shared with you. Okay. Now, for you to be able to get another copy of that, I need you to select all of it, right click, and click make a copy. All right. Just wait for it. It's copying two files. Now that you have two copies of it, I need you to click on the two copies and then drag it to the My Drive section on the left side and look for the shared drives and look for the folder. All right. Once you've done that, you would be able to transfer or move a Google Drive folder from one account to another without any problems. Or you can simply organize and click on move. All right, and look for this specific folder that we have earlier. Go to My Drive and the file that has been shared with you. All right, and by doing that, moving folders can help you organize files, accessible and secure according to your needs and changes in your working storage space in Google Drive. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.